All right, so we are now in LA, Los Angeles, California. First time here for me and for my wife, of course. And there you have it. That is the famous Hollywood sign right up there. And it's a place where everybody likes to come and take pictures. Not sure if we can park in the street, but plenty of cars here, so I said, why not? You also have an amazing view of the city on the other side, so I'm about to take you guys over there so we can check that out. So we are in Hollywood Boulevard right now, and I gotta tell you, I am not impressed at all with Hollywood Boulevard. I was expecting, you know, really cool, awesome place here, but this ain't it, folks. This ain't it. Yeah, you see the stars there on the sidewalk, but there's a bunch of homeless people living around here. It looks like a regular street, and when I always watched it on TV, they make it look so cool and so different. So I'm really disappointed. I'm disappointed with this. Let me go do something else, something better, because I don't think I'm gonna pay parking to look at this. I mean, New York City looks 1,000 times better than this. Is what it is. What are you gonna do? We're down Rodeo Drive. I'm gonna check some shops here and really say goodbye to the West Coast, because after this we basically have to go back to Las Vegas. So bittersweet feeling. So this is Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. Really nice area, high class stores. This is a very pretty mall.
Yes, it is.
Looks like they're constructing something there, but it's beautiful. Really nice. She loves the flowers.
I do.
Yeah. Alright everyone, we are in McCarran International in Las Vegas. We made it. And this is the end of our honeymoon, so did you enjoy it?
Every second of it, because I was with my husband.
Alright, it's a wrap. Until next time.